How to make money on Bigo as a male streamer. Think making money as a male streamer on Bigo Live is impossible. Think again. While the platform might seem dominated by female creators raking in thousands, there's a hidden goldmine waiting for men who know the right strategies. Most male streamers quit within their first month because they're playing by the wrong rules entirely. Welcome to this Duel of Concepts deep dive, where we're about to shatter every assumption you have about male streaming success on Bigo and reveal the exact blueprint that's working right now in 2025. Let's face the elephant in the room first. As a male streamer on Bigo Live, you're fighting an uphill battle from day one. The platform's algorithm, audience expectations, and monetization systems all seem designed to favor female creators. But here's what most guys don't realize. This apparent disadvantage is actually your secret weapon, once you understand how to leverage it properly. The male streamer reality check, the brutal truth. Female streamers on Bigo can earn money simply by existing on camera. Guys can't. While a female streamer might receive gifts just for saying hello, male streamers need to provide genuine value from minute one. This isn't sexism, it's market reality. But understanding this difference is crucial because it forces you to develop skills that will make you unstoppable in the long run. The average male Bigo streamer makes less than $50 per month. The top 5% make over $3,000 monthly. The difference isn't luck, looks, or connections. It's strategy. Most male streamers try to copy what works for female creators, which is like trying to win a chess game using checkers rules. Finding your profitable niche as a male creator. Here's where most guys go wrong. They think they need to be entertainers or comedians. Wrong. The most successful male Bigo streamers fall into specific categories that audiences actively seek out. Gaming streamers who provide real-time tutorials and tips. Fitness guys who offer live workout sessions. Musicians who take requests and teach instruments. Tech reviewers who demo products. Language teachers who offer conversational practice. The key is becoming the go-to expert in something specific, rather than trying to be generally entertaining. Female streamers can build audiences through personality alone, but male streamers need to be the solution to a problem their viewers have. Building your audience from zero consistency trumps everything else. Stream at the same times, on the same days, every single week. Your audience needs to know when to find you. But here's the male-specific twist. You need to be networking with other male streamers, not competing with them. Collaborate, host each other, create a brotherhood. Female streamers often see each other as competition, but successful male streamers build communities. Engage with your chat differently than female streamers do. Don't just thank people for gifts, acknowledge their comments, remember their names, ask about their lives. Your viewers should feel like they're hanging out with a friend, not watching a performance. The gift and revenue strategy that actually works. Forget about trying to get big gifts from day one. Focus on consistent small gifts through engaging content. Create gift goals that make sense. 50 roses and I'll play your song request, or 100 diamonds and I'll do a 30-second handstand. Make the rewards entertaining but achievable. Here's the counterintuitive part. Don't ask female viewers for gifts. Target your content toward male viewers who appreciate your expertise or entertainment value. The biggest misconception is that only female audiences give gifts. Male viewers are actually more likely to support creators they see as skilled or knowledgeable. Set up multiple revenue streams beyond just gifts. Offer paid tutorials through Bigo's private message system. Create exclusive content for your top supporters. Partner with brands relevant to your niche for sponsored content during streams. Advanced monetization techniques. Master Bigo's PK battles. This is where male streamers can absolutely dominate because these competitive formats play to traditional male entertainment preferences. Practice your PK skills. Understand the metagame, and build alliances with other strong PK streamers. Use Bigo's multi-guest feature to create talk show formats. Interview interesting people, host debates, create panel discussions. This positions you as a thought leader rather than just an entertainer. Leverage Bigo's integration with other social platforms. Drive your Bigo audience to your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, where you can monetize through different methods. Your Bigo stream becomes the hub of a larger content ecosystem. The psychology of male streaming success. Women often succeed on Bigo through aspiration. Viewers want to be like them or be with them. Men succeed through inspiration. Viewers want to learn from them or be entertained by their skills. This fundamental difference should shape everything from your streaming setup to your conversation style. Don't try to be the cool guy. Be the helpful guy, the knowledgeable guy, the guy who makes people's day better. Authenticity works better for male streamers than trying to project an image. Common mistakes that kill male streams. Starting without a clear value proposition. If someone asks what your stream is about, you should be able to answer in one sentence. Copying female streamer tactics without understanding why they work for women but not men. Giving up after the first month when you do see immediate results. Male streaming success takes longer to build but lasts longer once established. Neglecting your audio quality. Your content might be amazing, but if people can't hear you clearly, they'll leave immediately. Invest in a decent microphone before you upgrade anything else. Scaling your Bigo success. Once you're consistently earning $500 plus per month, start thinking bigger. Launch premium services, create courses, build a personal brand that extends beyond Bigo. The platform should become your launching pad, not your ceiling. Document your journey and teach others. Some of the highest-earning male creators on Bigo make money by teaching other aspiring streamers. There's always a market for proven strategies. The long-term vision. Male streamers who treat Bigo as a business, not a hobby, are the ones who succeed long-term. Track your metrics. Analyze what content performs best. Optimize your streaming schedule based on when your audience is most active and most generous with gifts. Build relationships, not just viewership numbers. One dedicated fan who watches every stream and regularly sends gifts is worth more than 100 casual viewers who never engage. The male streaming landscape on Bigo is challenging, but it's far from impossible. The creators who understand they're playing a different game with different rules are the ones building sustainable, profitable streaming careers. Your gender isn't your limitation, it's your differentiation factor. So there you have it, the complete blueprint for male streaming success on Bigo Live. If this deep dive helped you see new possibilities for your streaming career, smash that like button, and let us know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. Subscribe to Duel of Concepts for more insider strategies that most creators will never discover on their own. And here's a challenge. Try implementing just one of these strategies for the next week and report back in the comments with your results. We read every single comment and love hearing about your wins, big or small. Until next time, keep streaming and keep growing.